Lock in. He's gonna end up opening the door.
Jack. Jack? Hey, are you in there?
What are you doing here?
You left the party white as a ghost, like you forgot something. Just came to check on you.
I told you everything's fine, just leave.
You left your front door wide
It's
open.
not safe here.
Jack. I think there's something in your house.
You have to leave. Right now.
I can't. It hurt me. Jack, please. Just please. Just let me in.
Just don't let him in.
Oh, God. It's getting closer. I can feel it. It's coming up the stairs. Jack. I don't want to die.
Alright, but okay. Said not to open the door. Now we're opening the door. Sounds are not real.
Hey, man. I was just about to call you. Where you at? Jack? Jack, you there?
You see, he just did this to himself. This could have been such an easy avoidable situation. Alright, W film.